forget to hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon to join our notification squad. We post impressive videos every day.
Alexa, set cookie timer for 10 minutes.
Cookie timer, 10 minutes, starting now.
Say hello to Echo Wall Clock. The Echo Wall Clock helps you see one or all of your timers at a glance.
Alexa, set study timer for 40 minutes.
Study timer, 40 minutes, starting now.
Sweetie, we should start to clean up soon.
Can I play a little longer?
Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Second timer, 5 minutes, starting now.
Hold on a minute. They need to cool.
Alexa, set timer for 1 minute.
Third timer, 1 minute, starting now.
Hey, can I play?
I've got 10 minutes left.
Here's your reminder. Take out the laundry.
I'm pretty sure it's your turn to grab the laundry. I'll just finish this for you.
All right.
Echo Wall Clock from Amazon.